Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys about the Monopoly Go airplane mode after the last update. So what you need to do is, if you want to still get the glitch, you need to set your dice multiplier to 100 or 1000 if you have it available, and then turn on airplane mode, and then you need to start rolling. Then what you need to do is, either you want to write down whatever rolls you get, or you can just screen record for better accuracy. So once it's done, you need to close the app. If you're on Apple, then delete the app. And if you're on Android, then just, clear the storage. After that, reopen the app and log into your linked Facebook account for the autosave. And then check to see if the first number on the list is what you need to have your token land on, whatever space you want to land it on. If that's yes, then go ahead and roll it like at thousands, and if not, then roll at number one and then move on to the next number. You want to repeat it until you run out of all the numbers in the list and go back to step one, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.